Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the Obsidian version and exact vault path on every device so you avoid duplicate vaults. Next, pick a sync method, Obsidian Sync for simplicity, Cloud Folder for cross-platform, or Git for version control, and set it up now. Make sure to create a timestamped backup zip of the vault before you proceed so you can recover if something goes wrong. Once done, explain which device will be the primary source to prevent conflicting initial merges, and proceed to connect the vault. You now configure the chosen sync pipeline. Enable file and attachment sync and include or exclude settings depending on whether you want identical setups. If using Git, set up a Git ignore for large caches and temporary files like dsstore and trash to avoid noise. Once configured, create a small test note and edit it on the second device to confirm two-way propagation. Make sure to wait for sync indicators and check timestamps if edits collide. Resolve by reviewing both versions and keeping the authoritative copy. You finish by verifying that backlinks, tags, attachments, and plugin files appear consistently on every device. Open several notes and confirm internal links work. Then automate regular backups and check sync logs occasionally to catch repeated failures early. If you encounter persistent conflicts or corruption after a merge, stop syncing, restore the timestamped backup you made, and reintroduce changes manually to avoid repeating the faulty merge. Finally, document the chosen primary device and restore procedure, so future fixes are.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.